Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how to make copies on HP NY6120E. To make copies you don't need to connect this printer to Wi-Fi, you just need to make sure you have some paper in the paper tray and you have working ink cartridges inside. First, let's correctly place the document in the scanning unit. So open the lid. And now the side you wish to copy must be put facing down, and the top left corner of the page must be aligned with the top left corner of the scanning surface. You have shaded corner here, so align corners like this. Align the edges of your document with the borders of the scanning unit and notice your paper size. Look at the paper size markers. This is A4 in my case. Once you're done, close the lid. Next, on the printer's display, tap on Copy button, and if you copy in a document, tap on Document Copy. It takes you to the copy settings, so use the plus and minus icons to set how many copies do you wish to make, or tap in this field and use this numeric keyboard to enter the value manually. But let's, for this example, print just one copy. Press OK to save your changes. If you wish to make two-sided copy, tap on that, Sides, and select 1 to 2-sided. Now select your color mode, color or grayscale or black only, and set the printing quality, standard, best or draft. Also you can tap on these three bars and enter the advanced settings. Here you can set the content type, text, photograph or mixed. Once again you can set size, color mode, original size. This is A4 in my case, so let me switch the size. The size is switched, and you can make the copy lighter or darker and adjust options. How many copies do you wish to make? Which paper is loaded to your paper tray? It's also A4. Also, you can set paper type, but in my case this is plain paper, so I won't change here anything. And quality. Once you're done, close the advanced settings, tap on cross and press this green button. Now it's starting. The printer needs to scan the document first. Now place the next page on the scanner glass and then touch continue to proceed, because we're making two-sided copies. So open the lid, turn your page, place it correctly, align angles like this, close it once again and press continue on the printer's display. It's scanning again. And now it's making a copy. And pulling the document down to print on the second side. Great, our copy is ready. Good quality, good job, thank you printer. Also, you may have noticed that this printer has an ID card copy function. Actually, it works the same as double-sided printing, with the difference that both sides of your ID card will be printed on the same side of the paper sheet. You need to place your ID card correctly in the scanning unit. So imagine this is my ID card. It's funny, isn't it? And you need to align the top right corner of this card with the top left corner of the scanning unit, like this. Or you can place it with a little gap, just like this. And close the scanning unit. Then on the display select Copy feature, ID card copy, adjust settings. This feature has less settings than document copy, but all of them are pretty the same. Now, once you're ready, just repeat the same process as two-sided copying and you will have your ID card copy on one page. And that's it. That's how to scan on HP NY6120E. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye guys.